A beautiful autumnal day. I'm just heading down to the creek to find a particular kind of fern that I can print, monoprinting. The little ginkgo's doing what she's supposed to do, being autumn. She's grown a little bit, so I'm hoping spring she'll really begin to thrive and shoot up. So got different kinds of ferns at the creek. I'm looking for a particular kind of one, but I thought I'd bring you along with me and just have a look how the creek is going. Maybe we can see our resident eel or the platypus. I can't see any such thing. So it's pretty low again. Always trickling on this side, which overlooks the bridge. Oh, there's a mushroom. Which I won't be eating. All these stories lately, the mistakes people make collecting mushrooms. So, a bit of sunshine coming through the trees, always trickling or running fast this side of the bridge. The other side, as you can see under there, is very, very still, which is where the platypus lives. But sometimes I see the resident eel through here. Not today by the look of it. There's a really big fern. Just go around this side. So pretty. The sound of water is always calming. Beautiful. Alright, I better go locate this fernery. This gives me an opportunity. Very low. Look how low this is now. All the stones are above water, usually, particularly in the creek right here. These are usually all underwater. That edging is my measure. When we have water running in the creek, some of that stone may be above the water line, but in the depths of winter that'll be all underwater. Lovely light, and this little walk gives me the opportunity to check on the plant of this creeper on the gazebo, and it's starting to take off nicely. We keep coming down and refashioning it, helping it to catch on onto the structure. And this one is a less vigorous variety of what is it? I do know. Wisteria, that's it, less vigorous. And so it did nothing. It's been there all summer. Looks like it's going into its winter mode, which is fine. And some of that grass needs to come out. But I'm hoping that the wisteria will take off, and I'll get it up onto this lovely little gate, onto the gazebo. Okay, I'll go find this elusive fern and get back to work. It's Gina here from Blackfish Eyes, Tasmania. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next time. Bye.